Hello, welcome. We are in Oslo and we're going to be going whale shark watching today and on a sardine run and canyoneering. We're pretty excited because I've never done anything remotely close to this, so this is going to be very interesting. Oh look, there's a dog just chilling beside me. Hello sir. I do love sharks and I do love fish and all that kind of stuff, so this is going to be very interesting for me. Right now we got our number for the whale shark watching, and this is the restaurant that we're going to eat at while we wait to go whale shark watching. All this was included in our package deal. I can leave a link to that website if you guys are interested. It was about, I think, $150, $160 per person, and it's a whole day thing, and it's like 15 hours for the whole thing. I'm already sunburnt. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm like super red. I'm gonna try to stay out of the sun as much as possible. This is gonna be a very exciting and interesting day, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. This city, I guess you could call it, is known for whale shark watching. Like there's whale shark art all over the place. Like look right here on this, like a mural here. We're gonna eat and then go whale shark watching. This is the view from our restaurant. So right now it's about 5:45 and we gotta wait until the sun comes up. It's not fully up because then you won't really be able to see the whale sharks. So right now the sun is just about to break past the horizon. So yeah, that's gonna be super exciting. There's lots of stray animals in the Philippines. I wish I could just take them all home. Hello, sir. He's looking at me, he's giving me side eye. Okay, let's go eat. For breakfast, we got mangoes and rice. Is the rice sweet?
Reminds me of suman, so I feel like it might be sweet.
It's sticky? Okay, it might be sweet rice and mangoes for breakfast. Never had this before for breakfast, but let's dig in. Oh yeah, it's basically suman.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So suman is a Filipino dessert that's wrapped in a banana leaf, and it's sweet and sticky like this one. But this is just circular, basically.
You know what you called it?
What?
Tiki rice.
Tiki? Tiki rice. It is delicious though. For those of you who are wondering, the breakfast was included in the package deal. All right, we got on our life vests, and we're about to go into the boat. You excited?
Very excited, babe.
So you only get to see the shark, the whale shark, for about 30 minutes. And they're right here on the shore. They're right over here. Okay, we're in the boat.
Let's go! It's right here, babe.
I know, the whale shark is like right here. It's crazy. I'm kind of scared. It must be right here. Oh my god, that's a fin right there. Look. See his fin?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's right there. Oh my god. Oh, that's so crazy. Oh my god. Right there. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. It didn't look real when I saw it.
No, it literally looks like something in the
Oh, there's another one right there. Another one right there.
Oh my god, no way.
You ready, mom?
Do you have goggles for us?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, wait.
I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie, but...
You don't need to be scared because the whale shark is friendly.
Okay.
They don't have teeth.
Yeah, we heard, yeah.
Yeah, they only swallow the food.
Just drop down slowly. Right, he's right here. It's one of the coolest things I've ever seen.
That is crazy, dude. I've been standing
So we finished whale shark watching, which was insane. I recommend. 10 out of 10, I would recommend that. Guys, look at this. We're at Tumalog Falls now. So the driver's driving us to all of our locations. Everything's included in the price. And this waterfall is so beautiful. You gonna go in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wonder why I'm so bundled up is because my skin hurts so much and I'm so red. Oh, the fish will bite the skin off your feet? Oh, wow. Yeah.
You should try it.
Yeah, let's do it, yeah. This is what me and David did in Japan. Oh, look, they're eating. They're going on your toes.
Ah, it feels so weird.
It tickles, eh?
Oh my god, it tickles.
Wow. It's so tall. It's the size of a building. Wow. He's so sick.
Look at that tree.
Oh! Does it hurt?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that hurts. Okay. Water, yeah.
Look at the freaking bamboo.
Oh wow. That's nuts.
Goodness.
I didn't know bamboo could grow that tall. This is bamboo right here. It's like freaking 50 to 100 feet tall. We just finished at the Tumalog Falls and now we're getting our lunch, which is also included in the plan. It's good. Did you get a sweet fish, something like that?
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour fish. And then I got pasta. So I got veggie pasta. I haven't tried it yet. Let's try it. Rice was good. I tried rice. That's not bad. We could have packed the lunch up to go, but after our lunch, we're gonna go canyoneering, right? At Kawasan Falls. In Badian. Yeah, that's the place. And it's a half an hour drive away.
1.5.
1.5 hours?
Yeah, and then from Badian it's half an hour to Mobile.
Oh, it's an hour and a half away. I'm very grateful that we get someone to drive us around, because it would be a headache trying to get to places, especially because we don't have a car. Definitely much better to have a private driver.